Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive massive traffic to your Payhip store using the most effective organic strategies. Let's get into it. First, access the blog dashboard. Payhip allows you to host a blog directly on your store domain, making it a powerful tool for content marketing. Log into your Payhip dashboard and click on the Store tab in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down or sidebar, select Blog Posts. Click the plus Add New Blog Post button to open the editor. Next, compose your content. The Payhip blog editor is clean and straightforward, focusing on readability and SEO. Give your post a catchy title that includes your main keyword, like Top 5 Benefits of Digital Planners in 2026. Type your article into the main text field. Use the toolbar to add bold text, bullet points, and H2 headers to make the post easy to scan. Click the image icon to upload a featured thumbnail. This image will represent your post on the main blog feed and social media previews. Lastly, visibility and navigation. To make sure your blog post actually reaches your audience, you need to manage its status and site placement. Set the visibility toggle. Use invisible if you are still drafting, or visible to go live immediately. If this is your first post, click the drop-down to create a new blog. This acts as your main category, and name it something like news or tutorials. Hit save, and your post is now live, searchable by Google, and accessible to every visitor on your store. And that's pretty much it. To create a blog post on Payhip, go to Store, then Blog Posts, click Add New, and enter your title and content. By setting it to visible, you create a permanent piece of content that helps new customers discover your products through search. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.